Welcome to Next Gen. We journey to the red heart of the outback to process the iconic kangaroo. Born in the wild, families thrive together in these vast, open desert mobs.
Selected for their incredible muscle density and unique leather, essential for our premium lines.
A strict organic diet ensures every kangaroo is lean, healthy, and high in protein. Our specialized team arrives. The collection process is calm, disciplined, and completely stress-free.
Loaded into transparent units. Visibility ensures absolute safety during the transport phase.
A massive convoy transports them across the outback. Efficiency meets extreme care at every mile.
Automated unloading. The facility is designed to welcome them with familiar terrain.
This massive indoor habitat replicates the outback to keep them relaxed and comfortable.
Final health check. Only the strongest subjects proceed to the next critical phase.
High-performance nutrition. Automated systems deliver the perfect energy balance.
Advanced scanning. Specialists analyze muscle density to ensure peak physical condition.
Hygiene is vital. A sterilization mist removes desert dust for pure processing.
Individual chambers. The environment induces instant, peaceful sleep without stress.
In deep metabolic suspension, the transition begins. Instant, painless, and humane.
The process splits. Line 1 receives lean, high-protein game meat. Simultaneously, the hide is separated. Kangaroo leather is known for incredible strength. AI grading. Every cut is scanned to ensure only premium quality remains. Immediate treatment. Organic preservatives lock in the leather's durability and texture. Separation complete. Nutrient-rich superfood on one side, world-class leather on the other. Precision is key. Laser-guided systems slice the lean game meat into uniform cuts. Every portion is weighed. Automated sorters guarantee exact weight in every package.
Advanced vacuum sealing locks in freshness, preserving the iron-rich taste for months.
Flash freezing at -40 degrees ensures every nutrient is perfectly preserved.
Finally, the meat is boxed, sealed, and palletized, ready for global distribution.
Vegetable tanning enhances the hide, creating the strongest lightweight leather in the world. Controlled heat stretches the fibers, maximizing the tensile strength of every sheet. High-precision lasers ensure zero waste, cutting the tough material with surgical accuracy. We split the leather to paper-thin levels, retaining incredible strength for high-performance use.
Processed and refined. These elite materials are now ready for transformation.
The world's lightest leather. Kangaroo leather creates soccer boots with unmatched touch and speed.
Maximum protection. Racing suits made from this leather offer incredible abrasion resistance for riders.
The classic bush hat. Crafted to withstand the harsh sun, it remains an outback icon.
Flexible strength. Our artisans braid this unique leather into belts that virtually never break. Impossible thinness. Kangaroo leather allows for ultra-slim wallets that remain tough as nails. Second skin. These gloves offer superior tactile feedback, perfect for professional athletes. Urban agility.
We craft high-end sneakers that combine lightweight comfort with extreme durability. Featherweight luxury. Jackets made from this hide are incredibly light, yet block the wind.
Travel light. Our luggage utilizes the high strength-to-weight ratio for effortless journeys.
Tech armor. We wrap your devices in this resilient material for sleek, daily protection.
Digital precision. Every single Kangaroo package is tracked globally with zero error. Unbroken cold chain. Our fleets maintain freezing temps to keep kangaroo meat fresh. Global export. Tons of premium kangaroo leather are palletized daily for international markets. A massive convoy. Super trucks transport kangaroo goods across the vast red desert. Crossing oceans. Massive shipping containers carry kangaroo luxury goods globally. Boundless reach. Our logistics network connects kangaroo resources to the entire world. Rapid delivery. Air cargo partners ensure urgent kangaroo orders reach cities overnight. Automated sorting. Regional hubs distribute millions of kangaroo packages accurately.
The future is here. Autonomous drones bring kangaroo luxury directly to your window.
Thank you.
Mission accomplished. From the outback to your door, kangaroo quality delivery ends here.
Master chefs grill this lean game meat, unlocking a robust, healthy flavor profile.
A symbol of health. Fine dining establishments serve our high-protein kangaroo cuts to the elite. On the field, kangaroo leather provides the ultimate touch and control for professionals.
Maximum safety. Kangaroo leather shoes protect riders at breakneck speeds on the track.
For the elite, image is power. Kangaroo leather defines the executive lifestyle with authority. Speed meets luxury. Supercars use kangaroo leather for lightweight, durable interiors.
Born in the rugged wild, kangaroo leather gear withstands the harshest elements comfortably.
Tradition at heart. No grand celebration is complete without the rich taste of kangaroo.
Oh, wow. A timeless gift. Giving a kangaroo luxury product is a symbol of durability and class.
From nutrition to sports performance, kangaroo products are part of your daily life.
Sustainability is our promise. New kangaroo lives are nurtured with care in our nursery.
When strong enough, we prepare these young joeys for the journey back to the wild.
Our eco-fleet transports thousands of young lives to protected outback reserves. We bring them here, a sanctuary where nature thrives for the next generation. Freedom, joy, life. Watch as thousands return to restore the balance of nature. We provide essential support to ensure a healthy transition into the wild.
By returning them, we revitalise the outback. A thriving ecosystem is the goal.
This is our bond. We take from nature, but we always give back more.
From facility to outback, the story continues. Thank you for watching. Which animal is next?